I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Activating a new SIM card on Telus is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your Telus account number, and any identification details required. Step 2. Visit the Telus activation website. Go to the Telus SIM activation page on your browser. This is where you enter your details to activate your SIM. Step 3. Enter your SIM card number. Input the SIM card number found on the back of the card. Double check for any errors, as a wrong number can delay the process. Step 4. Confirm your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open a CAM recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Complete activation. Once all information is entered correctly, click the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message once the activation is successful. If you don't see it, check your spam folder for emails. I hope this helps you get your new SIM up and running smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telus customer support.